Cheers, man.
Cheers, buddy.
So, a quick 2 minute analysis on the Proteas and this T20 campaign that they just came out of. One, did we expect them to win going in? I don't think so. Two, did they choke? If we didn't expect them to win in the first place, then they couldn't have choked. But could they have done better? And that's the third point. I think they could have done better. There were a few opportunities in the tournament against Bangladesh, against Australia, where we could have really pushed and won those games, even against West Indies. But for me, the exceptional game was the one against Sri Lanka, where we really came back from a desperate situation and we won the game. And obviously, to beat England, one of the tournament favorites, that was exceptional. So that's my 5 points.
Damn you, all lives matter.
So what are some of the great things that we can take out? Obviously, Tamba Bavuma's captainship. That was exceptional. Van der Duysen scoring runs for us. He's definitely one for the near future. Number 3, Aiden Markram, also another one for the future. A few bad pointers that we could look at. Well, the first one, obviously, Kagiso Rabada became a bit too expensive. And I think going forward in future, we should be more brave. Sometimes just throw the ball to the spinners and even leave out a world-class player like Kagiso Rabada. And then finally, the last point. Once Quinton de Kock took the knee, he never stood up and played for the team again.
Boo! Hey, that's a low blow.